All right, number 4 said 3 groups of students use different methods to estimate the diagonal length of a patio in feet. Their results were these 3 numbers. Which list shows these diagonal lengths in order from greatest to least? Okay, that's telling me I'm ordering numbers. I need to convert to decimals. I need to line them up, fill in those placeholder zeros, and then compare. And on top of all that, we're going to start with the greatest number first and end with the smallest. Okay, I'm going to zoom this in. Instead of looking straight at your answer choices, we have no negatives, so we can't super easily estimate off of those. I'm going to go ahead and just convert them all to decimals. So I'm going to type in 5 square root of 12, and that gives me 17.32. Okay, so I'm going to say this is about 17.32. Okay, my next one is already 15.55. And my last one, 15 3/5, this one threw a lot of people for a loop. You don't have to type in that 15, okay? If you type in 15 and then 3/5, you're doing 153 divided by 5, okay? We already know that that 15 is the whole number, so we're going to leave it out. We're going to leave it as 15 and then do 3/5, okay? That's the only part that you need to type in is the fraction. That gets me 0.6, so I know this is 15.6, and now I can go order, okay? I'm going to write them vertically just so I know without a shadow of a doubt that I am doing this right. Oops, that's a 5. Okay, 15.6. And then I'm going to fill in with a 0 here. All right, we're doing greatest to least. On a number line, that would mean going back to the left. So we're going to start with the greatest one. Sorry, there that is. All right, left to right, cover it up. I have 1, so I'm going to move over. Okay, that 7 tells me that this one is greatest. So this is going to be first, greatest. All right, then after that I have 2 5s, so I'm going to keep going. All right, it's between a 5 and a 6. That 6 is greater, so this one is second, and then our decimal with 5 is third. Okay, I'm going to go back and look. Originally that 17 was 5 square root of 12, and I know that one has to be first, okay? Our second one was that 15 3/5, and this one is how it's written. So let's go check, okay? On our answer choices, okay, we have 5 square root of 12 is our greatest number, and the only one that has that first is J, okay? So all 3 of these are wrong. All right, so you would have had to have been J. Make sure you convert them all to decimals, line them up vertically so that you can compare. If you have trouble typing these things in, please just raise your hand.